1. 1963 Dodge Dart. Price: $36,500. Located: Lebanon, Tennessee. The 1963 Dodge Dart is a professionally built AFX gasser that represents one of the finest examples of Mopar engineering from the era. With only 44,000 miles driven, this car retains much of its originality while boasting extensive upgrades. It comes with a manual transmission, offering a raw and engaging driving experience. The exterior is finished in black, paired with a striking red interior, creating a bold contrast that enhances its classic appeal. Under the hood, the Dart is equipped with premium components from renowned manufacturers such as Holley, MSD, Hooker, and Moroso, ensuring both reliability and performance. Disc brakes provide modern stopping power, while dual batteries and a factory gas tank highlight its practical yet performance-oriented build. The body is laser-straight, rust-free, and exceptionally clean, reflecting the care and craftsmanship invested in its restoration. Despite its intimidating speed and crowd-drawing presence, the car has never been raced, making it a pristine show-winning example. The seller emphasizes that the drivetrain alone would cost more than the asking price, underscoring the value of this build. With its combination of originality, performance, and show-quality presentation, the 1963 Dodge Dart stands as a rare opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts seeking a piece of Mopar history that is both powerful and visually stunning. 2. 1970 Oldsmobile F85. Price: $39,000. Located: Glasgow, Kentucky, United States. The 1970 Oldsmobile F85 two-door post-street drag car is a remarkable piece of American muscle history, built with dedication and passion over decades. Owned by the same family for 44 years, this car has undergone numerous transformations to reach its current level of performance. It is powered by a BTR 496 engine, a build that alone cost $24,000, paired with a Powerglide transmission and a 4.10 12-bolt rear end. The car has achieved impressive quarter-mile times, running 9.84 seconds at 134 miles per hour, making it a serious contender on the drag strip. The exterior features a fiberglass hood, lightweight plastic bumpers, and Lexan windows, all designed to reduce weight and maximize speed. Despite its racing pedigree, the car retains original glass pieces, adding authenticity to its build. The green exterior and matching interior highlight its vintage charm, while the overall condition remains very good. This F85 is not only a performance machine but also a family heirloom, carrying stories and memories across generations. Collectors and enthusiasts will appreciate the meticulous care and upgrades invested in this vehicle, making it both a competitive drag car and a valuable classic. 3. 1955 Chevrolet 210 Wagon. Price: $38,000. Located: Acushnet, Massachusetts. The 1955 Chevrolet 210 Shorty Wagon is a custom-built pro street classic that blends vintage styling with modern performance. With only 1,800 miles driven since its build, this wagon stands out as a rare and unique creation. Finished in a bright yellow exterior with a gray interior, it captures attention wherever it goes. The automatic transmission ensures smooth driving, while the clean title confirms its solid ownership history. This vehicle has no significant damage or mechanical issues, making it a reliable choice for collectors. The custom Shorty design enhances its street presence, giving it a distinctive look compared to standard wagons of the era. Trades are considered, reflecting the seller's openness to negotiation. The Chevrolet 210 wagon is a symbol of mid-century American automotive design, and this particular build elevates it into a show-worthy machine. Enthusiasts will value its originality combined with performance upgrades, making it a versatile car for both display and driving enjoyment. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price: $45,000. Located: San Diego, California. The 1972 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a powerful pro-street build that demonstrates the raw potential of American muscle cars. Driven only 500 miles since its completion, This car is equipped with a 502 big block engine featuring forged internals, Edelbrock heads, Crower valve train components, and a Crower cam. The Turbo 400 transmission is built to handle immense power, while the Ford 9-inch rear end with strange components ensures durability. Running 9.89 seconds in the quarter mile, this Camaro is a serious drag machine. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by wide 15.5-inch rear tires that emphasize its aggressive stance. Inside, the car offers modern conveniences such as power windows, locks, seats, steering, and air conditioning, making it both a race car and a comfortable cruiser. Safety is ensured with a full roll cage and trunk-mounted fuel cell. Currently, the vehicle is at a shop receiving brand new windows, further enhancing its condition. This Camaro represents a blend of classic design and modern engineering, appealing to collectors and racers alike. 5. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu SS. Price: $48,000. Located: Bloomington, Indiana. The 1964 Chevrolet Malibu SS Pro Street is a true American classic, built with precision and passion to deliver both show-stopping looks and exhilarating performance. This particular example features a blown 454 LS6 roller engine, assembled with the best high-performance parts available, ensuring immense power while still running smoothly on pump gas. Finished in a striking Lamborghini red, the car's exterior radiates elegance and aggression, complemented by four-wheel disc brakes that provide modern stopping capability. The Malibu SS is not only a cruiser but also a competitive show car, designed to impress at every event. Its low mileage and meticulous build quality make it a rare find among enthusiasts. Inside, the vehicle retains its classic charm while incorporating performance-focused upgrades, creating a balance between vintage appeal and modern reliability. Collectors and muscle car fans will appreciate the craftsmanship and investment poured into this build, making it a high-value classic that stands out in any collection. 6. 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. Price: $45,000. Located: Tarpon Springs, Florida. The 1965 Plymouth Belvedere is a stunning pro street machine that combines vintage Mopar styling with modern drag racing performance. Powered by a rebuilt 440 engine paired with a TorqueFlite transmission and 4.56 gears, this car delivers immense power while remaining street drivable. The full-frame construction ensures durability and stability, while the fresh build means it requires no additional work, ready to impress immediately. Finished in a bold red exterior with a black interior, the Belvedere exudes classic muscle car appeal. Its aggressive stance and meticulous detailing make it a standout at shows and on the street. Collectors will value its authenticity and performance, while enthusiasts will appreciate its ability to bridge the gap between drag racing and everyday driving. This Plymouth Belvedere is more than just a car. It is a statement of Mopar heritage and American muscle culture. 7. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Race Car. Price: $25,500. Located: Raven, Virginia. The 1974 Chevrolet Vega is a custom-built race car that showcases the creativity and engineering of American hot rodding. Driven only 300 miles, this vehicle is powered by a 489 cubic inch big block engine with a 9:1 compression ratio, enhanced by a massive 871 Wind blower and dual 850 quick fuel carburetors. Trick flow heads and other premium components ensure reliability and performance. Despite its intimidating setup, the car has never been raced, serving instead as a showpiece at car events. Finished in red with a black interior, the Vega maintains a clean and aggressive look. Its automatic transmission makes it accessible for casual driving, while the build quality ensures it is capable of much more. Collectors and enthusiasts will appreciate the rarity of a Vega transformed into a high-performance machine, making it a unique addition to any classic car collection. This vehicle embodies the spirit of American drag racing culture while remaining a pristine show car. 8. 1972 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D. Price: $24,000. Located: Ottawa, Kansas. The 1972 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D is a classic muscle car that embodies the raw power and bold styling of the early 70s. This particular example is a GTO clone, built with a professionally painted frame and undercarriage, ensuring durability and visual appeal. Driven approximately 100,000 miles, it remains a strong performer thanks to its big block engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission. The car features a 4-link rear end and a 12-bolt posy with 4.56 gears, delivering impressive traction and acceleration. An older Holley Sniper system adds fuel injection technology, enhancing reliability and performance. The exterior is finished in a striking red, complemented by a black interior, creating a timeless muscle car look. While the headliner and a few interior pieces require attention, the overall condition of the vehicle is solid. Rear tires are brand new Hoosiers, measuring 31 by 18.50 by 15, with room for larger sizes if desired. This GTO clone is not only a street machine but also a potential drag contender, offering enthusiasts the chance to own a piece of Pontiac heritage at an accessible price. Its combination of vintage design, modern upgrades, and strong mechanical foundation makes it a desirable option for collectors and muscle car fans alike. 9. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Price, $12,000. Located, Martin, Ohio. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D is a bold representation of late 70s American muscle, offering both performance and style. Driven 82,442 miles, this car is equipped with a powerful 454 big block engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering an authentic driving experience that enthusiasts crave. The exterior is finished in gold, contrasted by a black interior, creating a striking visual combination. This Camaro has a history of drag racing, adding to its character and appeal among performance enthusiasts. Despite its racing background, the car remains in good condition, with solid mechanicals and a strong presence. The Z28 trim emphasizes performance styling, with aggressive lines and a muscular stance that continues to attract attention decades later. While some cosmetic updates may enhance its presentation, the vehicle's foundation is sound, making it a valuable candidate for restoration or continued use as a street machine. Collectors will appreciate its originality and the opportunity to own a Camaro from a pivotal era in muscle car history. At its price point, this Z28 offers an accessible entry into classic car ownership, combining affordability with the thrill of big block power and manual control. 10. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Price, $27,500. Located, Monroeville, Indiana. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 is a legendary muscle car that continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide. This particular example retains its original engine, complete but currently disassembled, offering a valuable opportunity for restoration. The car includes its build sheet, original 12-bolt rear end, and a turbo 400 transmission from 1968, ensuring authenticity and historical value. The frame and floors are in good condition, providing a solid foundation for future work. As a former vinyl top car, it requires a package tray and partial trunk floor, both of which are included. The front fenders are NOS GM parts, adding to its originality, while the hood shows minor damage on the left front. Finished in black with a matching interior, the Chevelle SS exudes classic muscle car appeal. With 72,000 miles driven, it remains a strong candidate for restoration into a show-quality vehicle. Collectors will value its documentation and originality, while enthusiasts will appreciate the opportunity to bring a true SS 396 back to life. This Chevelle represents not only a car but also a piece of American automotive history, offering power, style, and heritage in one package. 11. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $22,000. Located, Marion, Ohio. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a classic muscle car that blends raw performance with vintage styling. Powered by a 454 big block engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, This Nova delivers strong acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Driven only 500 miles since its rebuild, the car features new frame rails, a new trunk pan, and electric leather bucket seats, ensuring both durability and comfort. The interior is nearly complete, with new carpet, headliner, and front windshield, creating a refreshed cabin environment. The exterior is finished in blue with a black interior, maintaining a timeless muscle car look. While the paint shows minor bubbling and chips, the overall condition remains solid. The tachometer and speedometer are not connected, but these are minor issues compared to the extensive upgrades already completed. With new wheels and tires, the Nova stands ready for both street driving and show presentation. Collectors will appreciate the investment in restoration, while enthusiasts will enjoy the opportunity to own a powerful and stylish classic. This Nova represents the enduring appeal of Chevrolet's muscle car lineup, offering a balance of performance, heritage, and affordability.